Have you ever been jolted awake in the middle of the night with a sudden, sharp pain shooting through your leg? Or maybe you've felt your calf muscles tighten up while walking or even just sitting down, making it hard to enjoy simple daily activities. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Leg cramps are one of the most common problems seniors face. Studies show that more than 1 in 3 adults over the age of 60 experience them regularly. These cramps may last only a few seconds, but the pain can be intense, leaving your muscles sore and making you anxious about when the next one will strike. The good news is, you don't have to just accept them as part of getting older. In fact, the truth is that many leg cramps are caused by things we can actually control. Like dehydration, poor circulation, or not getting enough key nutrients in our diet. And here's where it gets exciting. With the right foods and a few simple lifestyle habits, you can reduce cramps dramatically and even prevent them altogether. In this video, I'll share the top simple foods that help keep your muscles relaxed and cramp-free. So if you're tired of those painful, unexpected leg cramps and want a natural, simple way to keep them away, stick with me until the end. Because these tips could make a real difference in your comfort, mobility, and overall quality of life. Number 1. Bananas. Bananas are often called nature's energy bar, and when it comes to preventing leg cramps, they truly live up to that name. One of the main reasons bananas are so effective is because they are rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a critical role in muscle health. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals, keeping your muscles balanced between contracting and relaxing. When potassium levels drop too low, a condition known as hypokalemia, muscles can become more prone to sudden spasms, weakness, and painful cramps. For seniors, maintaining healthy potassium levels is especially important, because the body's ability to store and balance minerals declines with age. A medium-sized banana contains around 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, making it one of the easiest and most convenient sources of this essential nutrient. Beyond potassium, bananas also provide a small but useful amount of magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which also contribute to smooth muscle function. Another reason bananas are ideal for seniors is their digestibility and quick energy boost. Unlike some foods that can be heavy on the stomach, bananas are gentle, easy to chew, and unlikely to cause digestive discomfort. Their natural sugars glucose, fructose, and sucrose are released gradually, giving you steady energy without the crash. This makes them a perfect mid-morning or afternoon snack, or even a light bedtime option for those who tend to experience nighttime cramps. Whether eaten alone, sliced into oatmeal, blended into a smoothie, or paired with a handful of nuts, bananas are a simple and affordable way to nourish your muscles daily. Making them a regular part of your diet is a small change that can add up to a big difference in reducing the frequency and intensity of leg cramps. Number 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce. Leafy greens are often referred to as muscle-friendly vegetables because they are loaded with minerals that directly support proper muscle function. Two of the most important nutrients found in dark greens are magnesium and calcium. Magnesium acts like a natural muscle relaxer. It calms the nerves that signal your muscles to contract, helping prevent them from tightening up too suddenly. On the other hand, calcium provides the strength needed for smooth, controlled contractions. When either of these minerals is low, the delicate balance between tightening and relaxing gets disrupted, and that's when painful cramps often strike. Another benefit of leafy greens is that they are naturally high in water content, which helps fight off dehydration, one of the most common hidden triggers of cramping in older adults. Unlike salty or processed foods that can actually drain water from the body, vegetables like spinach, kale, and lettuce gently hydrate your system while supplying essential electrolytes. What makes leafy greens especially useful for seniors is that they can be prepared in so many light, digestible forms. A simple green soup, a sautéed side dish, or even blending greens into a smoothie can be an easy way to add them into your daily diet without feeling heavy or bloated. Over time, consistently eating these nutrient-rich vegetables strengthens muscle endurance, improves circulation, and significantly reduces the risk of recurring leg cramps. Number 3. Oranges and citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and mandarins are refreshing, nutrient-dense options that play an important role in muscle health. They are best known for being rich in vitamin C, but what makes this vitamin so valuable in preventing leg cramps is its ability to improve the way the body absorbs and uses minerals like magnesium and iron. Without proper absorption, even if you're eating foods high in these nutrients, your muscles may not get the full benefit. By including citrus fruits in your diet, you're essentially helping your body unlock the strength of other cramp-fighting foods. In addition, citrus fruits provide a natural boost of antioxidants, which protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress, a process that can contribute to fatigue and soreness, especially in aging muscles. Their high electrolyte and fluid content also make them an excellent choice for hydration, which is crucial since fluid imbalance is one of the most common causes of muscle spasms in seniors. Unlike plain water, citrus fruits offer both hydration and essential nutrients, making them a more complete solution for cramp prevention. What's also appealing about citrus is how versatile and easy it is to enjoy daily. A glass of freshly squeezed orange juice with breakfast, a few grapefruit slices with lunch, or simply adding lemon to your water throughout the day can be enough to keep your muscles supplied with vitamin C and hydration. Consistently including citrus fruits in your diet not only supports muscle function but also enhances overall energy and vitality, helping you stay active without the constant worry of cramps. Number 4. Yogurt and dairy products. Calcium is one of the most important minerals for keeping muscles and bones strong, yet it's also one that many seniors unknowingly fall short on. A lack of calcium doesn't just weaken bones, it can also lead to frequent muscle cramps. Since calcium is directly involved in the process of muscle contraction and relaxation. Without enough of it, the signals between your nerves and muscles can become unbalanced, triggering painful spasms. Dairy foods such as yogurt, milk, and cheese are among the richest and most easily absorbed sources of calcium. But what makes them especially beneficial is that they don't just provide calcium alone. They also contain protein and vitamin D, which work together to keep muscles strong and resilient. Protein helps repair tiny tears in muscle fibers, supporting recovery and endurance, while vitamin D enhances calcium absorption, ensuring your body actually uses what you consume. For seniors, dairy can be a convenient and versatile option. A cup of yogurt topped with fruit during breakfast not only boosts calcium intake but also supports digestion thanks to probiotics. A slice of cheese with whole grain crackers can serve as a nourishing snack, while a warm glass of milk before bed can relax the body and may even reduce the likelihood of nighttime cramps. Regularly including dairy in your meals not only lowers the risk of cramps but also strengthens bones, which is crucial for preventing falls and maintaining mobility with age. If someone is lactose intolerant or prefers non-dairy alternatives, fortified plant-based options like almond or soy milk can provide similar benefits, as long as they are enriched with calcium and vitamin D. In either case, making sure calcium and protein are part of your daily diet is a powerful way to keep muscles functioning smoothly and cramp-free. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are often called a superfood. For good reason. They pack an impressive combination of nutrients that directly support muscle health and reduce the risk of painful leg cramps. Like bananas and leafy greens, they provide potassium and magnesium, two minerals that help muscles contract and relax properly. But what sets sweet potatoes apart is their rich supply of complex carbohydrates and fiber, which provide your body with slow, steady energy. This prevents sudden drops in blood sugar, a common but overlooked cause of muscle cramps, especially during the night or after physical activity. Another unique benefit of sweet potatoes is their high content of beta-carotene and antioxidants, which not only support eye and skin health but also reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. For seniors who may already deal with stiffness or mild arthritis, this anti-inflammatory effect can make sweet potatoes a particularly smart food choice. Sweet potatoes are also versatile and easy to prepare in senior-friendly meals. They can be roasted for a crispy side dish, baked for a soft and hearty meal, or mashed for an easy-to-digest option that pairs well with almost anything. Even adding them into soups or stews can bring both comfort and nutrition. Unlike refined carbohydrates such as white bread or sugary snacks, which can spike and crash blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes provide long-lasting fuel while supplying the minerals your muscles need to function smoothly. By including sweet potatoes in your weekly meals, you're not only giving your muscles a steady stream of energy but also arming your body with cramp-fighting nutrients that keep your legs strong, steady, and pain-free. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds may be small in size, but when it comes to preventing muscle cramps, they are nutritional powerhouses. One of their greatest strengths is their rich supply of magnesium, a mineral often called the relaxation mineral, because it helps muscles release tension after contracting. Low magnesium levels are strongly linked to frequent nighttime cramps, which is why even a modest daily intake from nuts and seeds can make a big difference. Unlike supplements, which can sometimes upset the stomach, nuts and seeds provide magnesium in its most natural and easily absorbed form. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are especially beneficial. Almonds not only provide magnesium but also contain healthy fats and vitamin E, which support overall muscle and nerve health. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most concentrated plant sources of magnesium, and they also deliver zinc, which aids in tissue repair and recovery. Sunflower seeds contribute selenium and vitamin B6, both of which help regulate muscle metabolism and nerve function. Together, these nutrients work in harmony to strengthen muscle performance and reduce the likelihood of painful spasms. Another advantage is their convenience. A handful of nuts or seeds makes a quick, portable snack that doesn't require preparation, making it easy for seniors to include in their daily routine. They can also be sprinkled over salads, blended into smoothies, or added to cereals and yogurt for an extra nutrient boost. Because they are calorie-dense, even a small portion about a quarter cup is enough to provide lasting benefits without overwhelming the digestive system. By consistently incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet, you're giving your body a steady stream of cramp-fighting minerals and healthy fats that keep your muscles relaxed, nourished, and functioning smoothly. Number 7. Water and hydrating foods. When it comes to preventing leg cramps, sometimes the simplest solution is also the most powerful: staying hydrated. Water is essential for keeping the balance of electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium in your muscles. When the body doesn't have enough fluid, these electrolytes become imbalanced, and muscles are far more likely to contract involuntarily, leading to painful cramps. What's surprising is that even mild dehydration, which you may not even notice, can be enough to trigger these spasms. For seniors, hydration is especially important because the body's natural thirst response weakens with age. This means you might not feel thirsty even when your body already needs water. Certain medications, like diuretics for blood pressure, can also increase fluid loss, making it even easier to become dehydrated. That's why it's recommended to aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or spending time outdoors. But hydration doesn't have to come from water alone. Many foods naturally contain high amounts of fluid and electrolytes. Fruits like watermelon, oranges, and strawberries, or vegetables such as cucumbers, celery, and zucchini, are excellent choices that hydrate, while also providing vitamins and minerals to support muscle health. Even soups and herbal teas can contribute to daily fluid intake, making hydration more enjoyable and easier to maintain. By consistently drinking enough water and including hydrating foods in your meals, you give your muscles the fluid balance they need to work properly. This simple daily habit not only reduces cramp frequency but also boosts energy, supports circulation, and helps keep joints flexible, making it one of the most effective yet often overlooked strategies for staying cramp-free. And there you have it, the top foods and one powerful stretch that can make a real difference in preventing leg cramps, especially for seniors. By making small but consistent changes, like adding potassium-rich foods such as bananas and sweet potatoes, magnesium-packed options like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, along with calcium-filled dairy products and plenty of water, you're giving your muscles exactly what they need to stay balanced, relaxed, and pain-free. These simple choices nourish your body from the inside out, while also reducing the chance of those sudden, painful cramps that interrupt your sleep or daily activities. Pairing these nutrition habits with just a few minutes of gentle calf stretching every day can take your results even further. Not only will you notice fewer cramps, but you'll likely feel more flexible, steady on your feet, and confident in your movement. It's a natural, safe, and effective approach that can improve your comfort and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more senior-friendly health tips and exercises.